Untol na kita, untol. Untol na kita lakaw-lakaw. Morning. Do.
Dalawa kayo sa... Ilan ka namin?
8 kilometers. Morning, Nak. Hi. Trail run meron. Nani. First trail run of Nani. 8 kilometer. Bisdak cyclist goes running. Morning. Oh, Idol. Sir, morning. Morning. Walking kami, walking. Mama. Sunny. Go. Go, go, Mama. Ah, ba siya pakong? Go, Nani. Go, Nani. Ina. Run. Ay, walk lang ta. Mama. Ganin. Nak semua Mama. Ayos.
Nan.
Okay. Gamay na lang ko ang. Oh, sorry. Gamay panadagan deh. Are you okay, Nani? Okay. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Ayos.
Ayos. Love you, Nani. Go, Mama. Hello. Good morning. We are at 1 km, mga boys. Grabe to, sigot ni Daddy. Mura og nagbike. Go, Nani. Go, Nani. Spiderman. Spiderman si Dada. Nani. Ah.
Ini. Laban.
Hello. Nice view. Go. Balik mi diri mga guys. Grabe kayo subida nga guys, mabalik mi diri. First river crossing done. Ayos. Rough road na mga guys. Paborito lang nato ni. Kung magbike. Trail run pa more. Hiking pa more. Basta enjoy among Nani. Enjoy ka nan? Mama.
Nani and Daddy.
Now at our 2 km mark. Puro na rough road. Lami as mountain bike kayo. Bram. Problema, wala taga bike.
Kagod tuhod.
Kagod mga guys, grug grug. Ano to sa rocky section mga guys? Untol na kita, untol. Untol na kita lakaw-lakaw. Ikaw ba na anak? Okay. Oh, grabe sa view mga guys. Now at our 3 km mark, 40 minutes of hiking. Join me of 8 kilometer hiking trail. Nasa 4 kilometers dito naman. Ang cut off time is 4 hours. Pero I think kaya na mo maabot ang 4 hours hopefully mga guys. So family bonding at the same time exercise. Mama and Danny, and of course yours truly, the Bisdak cyclist, running or trail running. Let's go mga guys. Kagod-kod mga guys. Mama, look at that view mama. Go Nani, eat the hotdog. Mama, fine. Last km. Wow, so steep. Look at that view. Wow. Okay. Bakilid.
Sunod mag-hire tag ko anda. Da. Sunod ba mag-hire tag mamidyo na to. Gula.
Good run ka mo. Ma'am. Nice. Wow, so nice. So nice, anak. Lalim. Okay. Okay, go. Good job, mama. Oh. Saka naman sa din. Now at U-turn flat. Okay. U-turn. Medyo kaya. U-turn. Okay. Okay, now on our U-turn mama, 5+ kilometers. Now we're going back.
Nani, aga di.
Yes.
My turn na kami.
Ayaw na, ako na.
Dali.
Slowly ma. Oh. 6.55 kilometers mga guys. Smile lock. Ma. aid station. Thank you, ate. Go. Ang galis. Mata ma. Now at hour 7 kilometers mga guys. Nani? Hi. Oh, cellphone. Smile. Mama. Ooh. Go, mama, nani. Tulay ha, slowly ha. Woo. Hi. Hello, nani. Like it? Like it, anak? Ayun sama. Oh, smile lang. Done. Nani. Ayun lang.
Kaya pa?
Currently mga guys, we are at 981 kilometers. We joined the 8 kilometers. Okay kayo. Are you okay, nani? Anong bali man yung shades?
Pag si mama.
Oopsie.
Sorry. Okay. Manang? Okay.
Mama. Go, mama.
Mag-sit na ka, mag-sit si mama.
Shade. Fire. Ah,
Usap pa ta?
what's up? What's up, ata? Oh, nani, hi. Love you. Are you happy? Are you happy, Pink? Yung shades. Are you happy? Huh? Love you. Hey, dog. Mga boys, finish na eh. Finish na. 3 hours. Pink, congrats. Congrats, mama. Congrats, anak. Congrats, anak. Thank you po. Congrats, eh. Wow. Congrats, anak. Thank you. Congrats, congrats. Yee. Woo. Thank you. Oh. Kasama finisher na ito medal. Where's the finisher medal? Oh, ma. Thank you.
Nasa likod.
Boss, idol.
Inano mo na?
Boss, DBB.
20 kilometer overall.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Senator.
Yay!
Yay!
Smile.
Smile. Okay. Congrats. Oy! We're done. Congrats, Nani and Mama. Nani, congrats. Finish na. Okay na. Happy. Mwah. Mama. Happy. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye.